Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Unbound Content AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Unbound Content AI online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address Unbound Content AI and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Unbound Content AI. And over here guys, you can see at the top right corner of the screen, in order to log into our Unbound Content AI, first we'll be required to click on the sign in button. But if you have not yet signed up for it guys, you saw the get started button, click over there to get registered. And that being said, over here guys, you can see you can log into your Unbound AI account with your Google or email link or email and your password with which you have signed up for. So we'll be going to the manual login of the email and password. If you want to log into your Unbound Content AI with an email link, click over here, or if you want to sign into your Unbound Content AI with your Google account, click on the sign in with Google, and login page to Google will open and you will be able to sign into your Unbound AI with your Google account. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email and password manually. So let's click on this button where it says the email and password. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on Unbound AI over here. After entering your email address, enter your password. And after entering your email address and your password guys, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Unbound AI account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Unbound AI. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.